Good day, Madam and Sir. I'm Ana Rose Sumawang. I'm 26 years old. I'm a married and have a two son. I am a Brown High School graduate.
Okay, so do you have any experience working here in Philippines as a domestic helper?
Yes, sir. I have experience 2 years.
Okay, so what are your main duties on your employer's house here in Philippines?
My duties are cleaning the house, cooking, marketing, washing clothes, iron.
Okay, so aside from doing household chores, so are you also the one to take good care of the children of the employer?
Yes, sir. I'm willing.
Okay, so if your employer in Hong Kong also have a children and they go to school, are you willing to help them to do their assignments?
Yes, sir. I'm willing.
Okay, can you promise not to use makeup while at work?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what if your employer in Hong Kong requests you to work on your day off with extra pay? Are you willing to work?
Yes, sir. I'm willing.
Okay, why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I save the money to my child.
Okay, so who will take care of your children when you work in Hong Kong?
My husband and my mother.
Okay, so any message for your prospect employer, suppose they are watching you right now?
Hi, sir, madam. Have a good day. If you chose me as a helper, I promise to be honest and hardworking. And I promise to take care of your family and to follow your regulation. Thank you, sir, madam.